Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this interesting problem. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to your learning colleagues. Let's get started. We are given that if m squared minus m to the third power equal to 36, we are asked to find the real value of m. Well, I know I can just take 36 inside, it becomes negative, simplify the left-hand side, factorize it and set the factors to be equal to 0 and solve for m. But I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to solve this problem logically. Let us analyze the problem. Something minus another thing equal to a positive output, which means that the first thing must be greater than the second thing. Yeah, because there's no way smaller thing will subtract a bigger thing and you get a positive result. This must be bigger, but it has a power of 2 while this has a power of 3. And how can something with a power of 2 be greater than another thing with a power of 2 if at all those things the bases are the same? It is only possible if that base is negative. So we have seen that m must be a negative number. Definitely. Well, I can factorize the left hand side, take m squared outside, inside from the m squared divided by m squared you have 1 minus m cubed divided by m squared is m. This remains 36. Let us analyze this again. We have m squared. M squared must be a perfect square number. Yes, so it is positive number. And it is only a positive times another positive that will give a positive output. Which means that we are looking for two numbers that we can multiply to get 36 such that the two numbers must be positive. So now let us list down the factors of 36. We could have 1 times 36 is 36, right? Where m squared is 1 and this equal to 36. We could have 2 multiplied by 18 is also 36. 3 multiplied by 12 is 36. 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. 6 times 6 is also 36. I think these are the only pair of factors we have. So if m squared is 1, I'm going to work it out here. If m squared equal to 1, it means that m equal to plus or minus 1. But we have seen that m is negative, so it means that m equal to negative 1. Let's see whether this is true. M squared, the first one, m squared, negative 1 squared is 1, minus. Negative 1 to the third power is also negative 1. Negative 1 is equal to 2, which is not 36. Therefore, m squared is not equal to 1. What about 36? The reason why I'm testing these two numbers, because 1 is a perfect square number and 36 is also a perfect square number. I can see that m squared is also a perfect square number. So what if it is 36? 36. Before coming here, because I want to make sure that this is a perfect square number, either 1 or 36. Because 36 times 1 is also 36, so you can switch them like this. So if m squared is equal to 36, it means that m is equal to negative 6. Forget about the plus or minus 6, because we have seen that m is negative. So will that satisfy that? I think no, because m squared is already 36. Negative 6 squared is 36. Subtracting something or adding something will either increase the number or decrease it, which is not going to make it 36. Therefore, we're going to discard this one. We're going to discard this one because none of 2 or 18 is a perfect square number. None of this as well. But 4 and 9 are all perfect square numbers. Let's test. I'm going to cancel this because I know this and this are not the same. Well, but let's just test it. If m squared is 4, it means that m is negative 2. Forget the plus 2. So let's confirm. M squared, 2 squared is 4, minus. Negative 2 squared is negative 8. This and this is 12. 12 is not 36. But you can switch them because 4 and 9 are all perfect square numbers. So let's switch them and see. If m squared is equal to 9, it means that m is equal to plus or minus 3. But we are looking for negative version, which is negative 3. So let's confirm. Negative 3 to the power of 2 is 9, positive 9, minus negative 3 to the power of 3 is negative 27, negative 27. Negative negative is positive. 9 plus 27 is 36. Yes, this satisfies. Wow, so if it's satisfied, what if we have 1 minus m to be 4? Because if m squared is 9, then 1 minus m should be equal to 4. If, let me see, where should I do it? Let me clean this. Then 1 minus m equals 4. Taking m to the other side, it becomes positive. You bring this one, it becomes negative. So m equals 1 minus 4. And 1 minus 4 is equal to 3, negative. Yay! So we have seen that if the first one we got negative 3, the second one we got negative 3, it implies that m we are looking for is negative 3. Remember, we're only looking for the real solution. Since the degree is 3, the other two solutions must be complex solutions. You can test 6 if you like. No, 6 is not a perfect square number, so we cannot test this one. So the only valid solution is m equal to negative 3. Therefore, m equals negative 3. Final.